Hello everybody and welcome back to Parasite Eve. Last time we fought again, we fought Eve again. Then we have in an accident. So I, we ended it day 2. Only 2 episodes, I think. 2 episodes per game. Per day. I created on that. Day 1 was 1 episode, I think. Okay. Wait, let me check. Okay. Nice. But what should I upgrade? Thing. But next is what is it next? That was a long night. Sleep well. You were here all night. I told you to go away. You could you know. Okay. Storage. Scientists can believe anything without proof. It's just one of those things. And besides, what? Oh, nothing. Daniel. No traffic. This is the way it be around here. Daniel. So what? Are we sitting here around? What are we sitting around for? Got work to do. Daniel. Thanks. Alright, we're gonna need some bigger weapons. There's a gun shop over there. Let's stock up. Okay. You mean here? Yeah. What? So many types of medication. They all seem strong too. Just the smell of this place give me the creeps. The door's broken. Okay. For now, let's stock up stock up on medicine. What's up with him? All of a sudden, he's happy. He's a happy camper. I won't ever understand those scientist types. That's how scientists work. And there is a okay. Okay. Two chest. Iron tool. Okay. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Okay. That section was cleared. This one wasn't. Okay. Okay. There are many items I need to check. Okay. Nope. Yes. Yes. I wish I could take all this back to Japan. Oh, wait. Let's save. Mm-hmm. Okay, nothing. Oh, nothing much. We will explore. Okay, this is the gun shop he's talking about. This used to be a proper country. They weren't kidding when they said they sell guns here in America, where they. This is it. Well, help ourselves to some ammo. It's locked. Out of the way, Aya. Daniel, no. Sorry, but it's the only way. Girl. You. Man. You are. Are you really a cop? We think so, but we don't have scientific proof if that's what you're asking. Dude, really? You almost shot a girl. Oh yeah, I think it's raining. Your winter is full. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Oh. Nice. Then yeah. Oh. G1932 range 58. Okay. Oh, another one. Okay. Okay. Stupid. There you go. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Wait. What the? Okay, reset. The hell? Reset, please. Reset. This is just too much. Go ahead and pick your accessories, ladies. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Is there a place nearby with good research facility? I'd like to test something. We're stuck. Come on, get in the car. Okay. Visit tayo? Yes. Road rules don't apply here anymore. We can take the shortest route through Manhattan. Wait, where are we going? I think this is our next in the story. Then after the last boss, after the next boss. So where to? Is there any place with a research facility? Research facility. I'd like to conduct an experiment and test something. It might be relevant. How about the facility in the museum where Clamp is at? They had really extensive equipment there. No way, man. Anywhere but there. He should have been evacuated by now. It should be okay. Yes, that sounds good. Daniel, is that okay? I'm expecting a big tip for this. There will be a sad event here in the game. I will. You will see later. For now, let's do this. So this is the American Museum of Natural History. It's just as I imagine. We can find the research facility in this building. Yeah, hopefully we won't run into the jerk or unsafe. Since it's been evacuated, it should be empty. Of course. Fired up in a museum it does have fairly extensive equipment. So what they test? This is, of course, let me see. I was able to extract a gel-like substance from Aya's clothing. Gel? Is it from Eve? Yes, it appears to be a remnant of Eve's cells. At the cellular level, her power cannot be as strong as Aya said previously. Ow. Hey, what you're doing? I just want to conduct this experiment to see whether or not yes, this is exactly as it's just I thought. Go ahead, take a look. What is it? Mhm. Your cells are completely surrounded by them. As you can see, the mitochondria has taken over the nucleus. In a similar manner, the beasts that attack you probably experience the same thing. Does the mitochondria really have the power to control the nucleus? No, the normal mitochondria never has such power. But Eve's mitochondria has gone through tremendous evolutionary changes. This is what I think happened to Eve's mitochondria. Normally, mitochondria require oxygen when they generate energy called ATP. So at this time, the mitochondria requested oxygen from the nucleus. Without the energy supply from the mitochondria, the nucleus cannot function. So in essence, the two organelles constantly rely on each other. But in this case, it seems that Eve developed the power to reverse this symbiotic relationship. Evolution or even mutation seems likely in this case. Reverse the cycle. Oh no. Look, look at this. When even with a limited number of cells, her cells have this much power. Can you imagine how much power Eve has within her whole body? Maeda, yes. Could you test my cells? Yes, of course, but I want to know. I want to know why I have the power to fight her. I want to know where I stand with her. Ah yeah. Please Maeda, I need to know why. Yes, of course. Thanks Maeda. Could you step over here please? I'll need your arm. Like this here. Yes. Ow. Let me just set this up here. I think you better see for yourself. What is it? Is something wrong? Do you realize what is happening? Your mitochondria are supplying more energy to the nuclei of your cells. It's almost as if they are protecting the nuclei from Eve's mitochondria. Why does Aya's mitochondria have this kind of power? I don't know. Are you familiar with Richard Dawkins' theory of the selfish gene? In simple terms, it states that genes act in a manner to preserve and ensure survival of the species. Hey man, I don't read those scientific journals. What are you trying to say? Depending on how you look at it, you can say that Eve is trying to destroy all mitochondria except her own. In response to that, Aya's mitochondria has developed the power to rebel. Why only Aya's? Shouldn't it be the same for us as well? We should also have that power based on. That seems to follow the natural order of things, but I'm sorry, I don't know why. Professor, what are you doing in my lab? This breaking and entering. Why haven't you evacuated the city yet? I'm asking why you people are in my lab. We've received orders to evacuate the city. Professor, you really should. I tell you, cops are the ones corrupting this fine city. I'm sorry, it was my fault to see. I asked them to bring me here. Who the hell are you? I'm Kunihiko Maeda. I'm a scientist from Japan. You were using my electronic microscope. Wow, what is this? Where did you get this specimen? Where did you get these cells? Those are... I don't know. Do you take me for a fool? With cells like this, they must affect the body's natural state. Oh, shut up. I'll just ask Officer Freya. Your cells contain a tremendous amount of energy. Do you feel any bodily changes? You should feel somewhat hot. No? Speak up, officer. I can't hear you. Have you lost consciousness anytime recently? Hey, what the hell is this? Why is my boy's name here? Lorraine's on here too. Clamp, you tell me. You tell me what that list is for. Tell me, you hear? Let go of me. I don't have to tell you anything. What? Daniel, calm down. Daniel. Damn. Get out of here. Sorry to disturb you, but we do have to officially warn you of the evacuation. Please remember that. Officer Freya, do you enjoy having that barbarian for partner? Oh, no, thank you. Goodbye. It's too late now. It's too late to do anything now. Well, you are an idiot though. Okay, let's go here. Damn him, one of these days. What was that list? It was an HLA type listing. It's a list to see whether organs will be rejected when transplanted. Why the hell are Ben and Lorraine on the list? It was a list of people with matching HLA types, so damn, I'm gonna get him. I'm going back to the station and getting the okay. What the hell happened here? Eve. She's here? I'll go look around. You two stay here. Hell no, I'm not gonna sit around and wait for this thing to kill my family. Daniel. Wait, Aya. Here, take this. What's this? It's a good luck charm from Japan. It's the best I can do. I see you can't hold anymore. I'll wait here then. Please be careful. Please be careful. I will wait for you here. Okay, let's go to the... Oh brother, this is trash. I'm getting help. Hang on. Okay, let's... How about this one? Hold on. Ow. For now, no. They... Oh man, this is trashed as well. Okay, let's check the chief's office. Are you okay? Where's the captain? He went to look for Ben. No, hold on please. Dude, Warner. Ah yeah, man, Eve really caught us off guard. Most of our men were out. I'm getting help, hang on. No worries, I'll be alright. You go after Ben. Oh man. She really trashed this place, huh? Okay. Okay. Dang it. Wait, it's me. Ah, yeah, this fake ba? Oh, what did you say? Hey, Aya. Guess I screw up, eh? Why? Why didn't you shoot, man? Haven't used a gun since your daughter was shot? Torres, you can blame guns for that. I suppose you're right. Take care of You take care of this place now. Torres. No. Oh man, I skipped the dialogue, man. Skip the dialogue. I know your hands are full, but leave something here and take this instead. Okay. Okay. No, no, no. Wait. For now. This gun, it's Torres' gun. Hasn't used it in ages, but he always kept it in shape. Torres wasn't just good at gun tune-ups, he was a really good shot too. Ever since the day his daughter was killed by a gun accidentally going off, he stopped shooting altogether and he came to this department to keep guns in check. Aya, I know you can handle this gun, take this and nail that monster for Torres. You wanna leave something here? I'll hold it. Okay, what was the... Oh, nice. Medicine 2. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, let's... Okay. If it's a rifle... Okay, that for me, Aya. Okay, 21. Range. Hmm. Okay. Oh no, something happened here. Ah, yeah. I'm sorry. Ben's gone. Where? I don't know. Shiva went berserk and Ben went after her. What? Okay, nice. Level up. Oh, parasite energy shot. Nice. Is this Shiva? Ah, man. Oh man, I'm so mad at Eve turning that innocent pooch to be like that, man. Oh man, I use it. Stupid. Oh, Lord. Shiva. Stop, come back here. Oh man. Oh. I hate to say this. Oh man, this is so tough. Oh man, this got wrenching to add. Oh, I can't. Oh man, I can't do this, dude. My dog just recently passed away. Oh man, I hate Eve. Why did you do with the dog? Why the dog? This is so tough to play, man. Ah yeah, you're gonna go after Ben. He went upstairs chasing Shiva. Come on, we need to take care of that wound. I'm alright, just go after Ben. Hurry before it's too late. Oh man, I can't. Oh man, Eve, why did you do it with the dog? Just why? Oh man, nice. Oh. Okay. Man, this just pissing me off, dude. Dang it. Hold on. Can't make it. Got me pretty good. Take this. Bench upstairs. Thank you, man. Ah, man. I can't. Shiba, don't go that way. Oh no. Shiba, what's happened to you? Shiba, wait. Oh man, this is what I am scared of. The dog is warning her. She is warning him to not go, to not follow him. To not follow her. Oh man, this is so tough to play, man. Oh! Okay, lower defense. Ow. Okay. Oh. There you go. Thank you for that. Thank you. Storage key. Wait, where's the storage though? Storage key. Is it upstairs? Or the weapons of the weapons the weapons store in the armory area? Oh, ow, ow, ow. Ow. Man. I hate this game. I hate this, man. Let's go back fighting. Oh man, the dog. I can't. Ay man, this is fucking me up, dude. Okay, thank you. Ow. Ow. I think I'm just grinding a bit. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Fighting them again. Ow. You use this. Okay. Let's go. I think we are going up again. The next Parasite Eve 2. Then after that, Parasite Eve, the third birthday. I think the goat, that was the goat game. Oh. Okay, stupid me. Oh man, ulit. Again. Oh man. For the game. Okay. Okay, nice. We are going. I'm just retrying it because I think I'm in the middle of the game. Oh no, stupid. Alright. Hold on. Okay. I know it already, so I will not read the dialogues again. But later on the game, at the boss fight, I think, or before. Man, this is fucking me over, man. um mm, mhm. Okay. Mhm. Ow. Okay. Cure M. There you go. Oh yun. There you go. Another one. S. Let me save the progress. Okay. Hmm. Shiva, are you okay? Ben, get away from her. Let go. She was sick. Stop, don't hurt Shiva. She isn't Shiva. Eve's turned her into a monster. Ah, monster? Close your eyes, Ben. Ah, man. Oh, no. You're not touching him. Okay. Damn it, I'm out. Ah. Okay. Eve, why did you do it to a dog, to an innocent dog? Ow. Ow. Okay. 15, 14. All of it, please. Give me that. Please help me. I step outside and those things were all over. You'll be safer here. Don't leave this room. Okay. Hey, you're hurt. I think I have enough supplies to treat you just once. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, for the love. Just me, you. I'm not gonna make it. Take this. Take the stuff in my locker. What? Okay. Okay, unlock. Ah, okay. Oh, you're the one that got Torres. Oh my goodness. SG50, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. I would rather have that. Hmm. Nice. Okay, 57 still. Oh man. Okay. I'm getting help. Hang on. It's too late. How could this happen? Okay. Inventory is full. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the let's go back in the underground. Okay. Okay, let's start testing this. Ow. No. Bam. Bam. Come on. Okay. Let's go back in the locker. No. Let's go down first before we go to the locker. Okay. At least I have supplies from it. Okay. Leave the nonsense. No. Okay. Yep, I've beaten it already. You are just late. Oh. Still fighting me, huh? Okay. Oh no. Okay. Locker storage. Okay. Oh. Trading card or trading card. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. What happened to Daniel though? Question is what happened to him. Then let's go get the another one. I'm sorry, I don't have any more supplies here to treat your wounds. Girl, really? Well then. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Ow. 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 Okay. Okay. Oh, nope. Not yet, not yet, not yet. This is the boss room. Let's go here first. Almost. Dead. Full cure. Give me that. Get it. Get it. Oh. Okay. Kaya. Uncle Baker shirt. Shiva. It's not Shiva. Shiva's already dead. Aya, please don't let her turn into a monster. Come on, I'm the one you want. There are 3 targets. So, watch. Oh! Ow! The same. Oh! Amen. Okay. Bang. Bang. Ay. Please. Bang. Problem. Dang. Nice. Killed. When good dogs do bad things. Bruh. Really? Gonna be serious. The dog is not doing bad things. Okay. Okay, para sa confused. Okay. Okay. Ben, Captain. Aya. Uncle Baker's hurt. Ben. Daddy. Ben, are you okay? Uncle Baker was protecting me. Captain, thank you. Remember when Ben was younger? We used to all play at your place, sir. Cut that out. Baker is fine, like the old times. Shiva. Ben. Yeah, whoever did this to Shiva, you'll get them right. Yeah, I will. Oh man, this is the man conception. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British remedy.